Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss the functions in Python. So, what is functions in Python? Function is nothing but a block of code which is used to perform some specific task. So, there are different type of function in Python. That is built-in function, user-defined function, higher order function and anonymous function. And remember one thing, we always define a function in lowercase. So let's discuss our first built-in function. So what is built-in function? The function which is already defined in Python, that is inbuilt function, or we also call as predefined function, that is nothing but a built-in function. So for example, if I want to calculate the maximum number from any list, suppose I will take here a list, I just write some numbers inside that and yeah, so I write these numbers, and if I want to calculate the maximum number from this list, so I just use max function and I run it. It will give me the maximum number from this list. So there are such type of several types of this inbuilt function, that is a maximum, minimum, length, del, delete, sorted and reverse also. So we can use this all inbuilt function in our program. Now let's talk about our user defined function. So what is user defined function? So the user defined function is a function which is defined by the user according to our need. So if suppose I want to use function for different value, uh, and the function is very critical, if I want to make a function which is different than the built-in function, so I just make that function and I call the created function again and again for different values. So that functions is nothing but a user defined function. So for example, if I want to calculate factorial of a number, so I just create one function called factorial, and inside that I put one parameter called number, and initially I put the value of fact is 1, then I just apply a loop that for x in suppose range of this number to 1, and with stepping size negative, then please multiply it with fact is equal to fact into x, and I just return the fact now after that, and I just print the number now. So suppose in this case I just write the name of function factorial, and I want the factorial of number 12. Here I will pass only one parameter because I just specify here only one parameter. So I just want a factorial of 12. I just run the function and it will give me the output. Yeah, this much of large number. So here function takes something and also returns something. It takes its parameter here and returns us a value this. So this is all about a user function. Similarly, we can define any function in Python in this way. So in the next lecture, we talk about use higher order function and anonymous function. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.